How to fix iPhone screen not working. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So first, let's start by checking the control menu. So access the control center from the right side, and then make sure that if you want to rotate your screen, the lock is not turned on. So sometimes you might forget that the lock is turned on and try to rotate your screen. So this will not work. So once you've toggled it off, you'll need to try to rotate your screen. However, if that also doesn't work, then consider removing any phone case, because sometimes phone case also may interfere with the device's ability to detect orientation changes. Now, another thing to determine the screen rotation functionality is that it differs in various apps. So some apps do not let you rotate your screen. For example, let's go to Instagram. So Instagram does not let you rotate the app. So make sure that you're not using app that not allows screen rotation. So if the problem persists, then it might be because of some software updates. So you can go to your settings and then update your device or try restarting the device, because sometimes restarting a device also goes a long way. And that's it. These are some of the steps to fix iPhone screen rotation not working. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.